What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys my Tarte $63 custom kit. This is a sale that happens twice a year on Tarte Cosmetics. It is one of my favorite makeup brands and I always jump on this sale since I've known about it and stock up on my favorite makeup for the year. They recently just had one about 2 weeks ago. It was a sale that started at 7 a.m. Eastern time. So if you were in the Pacific Northwest where I used to live, it would have been 4 a.m. your time. It would have been crazy. So what you're gonna do in this sale is pick out one makeup bag and then 6 full-size makeup products that they list out in like categories. I got on there and I got some good stuff and I'm excited to show you guys what I picked out, and I'm also gonna do a try on, so this is gonna be a super fun video. Let's do this. Okay, so here is the box that my makeup is in. I have not looked inside yet, so I'm excited to get into this and show you guys what I found. Okay, so Tarte always has the cutest boxes with like the little lipstick and lips, and then they got a little card for referring your friends to Tarte, and it has a little 15% off code. I will link down below my code that you can use if you want to in my description box. Alright guys, so this box is full of the items and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. Okay guys, so this is the first thing that you get to pick out. You get to pick out your like makeup bag, which they usually have just the funnest designs, and this one is just so cute, like the little palm and then like this little rainbow looking tassel. And this bag is nice quality for sure, and it's nice size too. I didn't know it was gonna be so big, so this is great. I'm about to go on a little vacation with my family, so I will definitely be using this, and it's so fun for summer too. Okay, so the first makeup item that I got to pick out was one of their foundations, and I got the Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation, and this is in the shade Light Medium Neutral. I'm always their Light Medium Neutral shade. It's 29N, and it just works so perfect for my skin. Okay, so this is what the foundation looks like. It's such a cute little glass bottle with like the little blue dropper on top. I have tried this foundation out, I'm pretty sure like 3 years ago. This is the one I tried out, and I really enjoyed it for summer because it's like a light to medium coverage. So I'm really looking forward to putting this on today and just trying it out again and seeing how it works. Okay, so the next thing I picked out, the little Hamptons Weekender blush, highlight, and contour palette. This is like a to-go palette, so it's smaller. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out today with you guys and just seeing how these work on my skin. Okay, and then the next item I picked was the Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. I love skin mist. So this is a setting spray. I have not tried this setting spray yet, so I'm looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to how it smells, because if a setting spray smells good, then I'm like hooked. So as you can see, like the products you're getting for $63 is insane. When I checked out, it said that the worth of this box is $204, which is crazy. Okay, so the next thing I picked out was the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Liquid Eyeliner in black. And I actually had this one just recently run out, so I replaced it, and I was so excited to get more of it because this one was bomb. Like this one gave me just a really great point and everything was great with it, and it stayed on really well. Okay, so then I picked out my favorite mascara ever. That is high-end. I do have a drugstore favorite, which I will share with you guys another time. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, and this is their limited edition like fairy collection one. It's the same mascara, but just in really cute pink packaging instead of purple, and it has like a fairy little star on top, which I'm gonna show you guys. So as you can see, this is just adorable, and I almost like want to just keep it just because it's so cute. But this is just so fun. And obviously they had like the original one in the purple packaging, but how could I pass up this adorable packaging? I couldn't. So here it is in my hand right now. Okay, so the last product that I picked out for my kit is their Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Shade Shifting Lipstick. That is a mouthful. This is in the shade Sunlit. Okay, so it is in this super adorable marble blue packaging. Okay guys, so that is everything in my Tarte custom kit. I'm super excited to try these on with you guys. So let's do this. I'm gonna pin my hair back and let's just get this show on the road. Guys, look at these clips I just got on Amazon. They're like vintage, like oversized clips, which I just think is so cute this season. I do love the oversized like vintage hair clip look. So I picked some up. I also have some that have like pearls on them. Anyways, I'm just clipping my hair back all crazy like with these. Okay, so I have my beautiful bare face going on that God gave me. And let's do this makeup look with this custom kit. First of all, I already put my face serum on for the day and my lotion. And now I'm going to start off with foundation. Okay, so I just dropped some on the back of my hand. And I'm going to go in with my Real Technique Miracle Orange Sponge. This is what I look like. I look like a freaking Star Trek character. But this is what I do. And then I'm going to take my sponge that's already damp and squeezed out, and I'm just gonna get this blended in. And I always take my foundation like up into my ear and then also under my chin. I'm really liking this foundation. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more on my cheeks. I usually do just to get a little more coverage. And a little bit more coverage there. Okay, so I got my foundation on. This stuff is bomb. I'm really liking the coverage and it's just a really nice finish too. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Shape Tape concealer because I didn't get a concealer in the box. So I'm just gonna do like the things I didn't get in the box as well. This is like my all-time favorite concealer. I found this probably like, what, like 4 years ago, I think. And I have not found something that works as good since. I also love this concealer because I use it as eyeshadow primer as well. I just bring this like triangle I do up into my eyelid and cover my eyelid as well. And it's full coverage and it keeps my eyeshadow on like all day. I love it. Alright, so I have that all blended out and now I'm going to go in with a setting powder and then I'm going to put on this cute little palette on my face. So I've been loving my Pacifica Matte Cherry Setting Powder. This stuff I found at Target and it is bomb and it smells like freaking Fun Dips, which is amazing. I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and just dip it in and get that all tapped off. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this bronzer, and this is called Farmer's Market, which is super cute. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. I love Tarte. Like Tarte's eyeshadow palettes and I guess their contour palettes smell really good. This smells like kind of like vanilla marshmallows or something like that. And I'm gonna go in with my angled shader contour brush for this bronzer. That is so freaking pigmented. I was not expecting that. So I'm gonna have to really blend this out. That's a really pretty shade though. It's like a nice like brown shade without like the orange looking feel to it. And I'm going to take my Luxie brush, and this is just like a small blush brush. I don't like to go super heavy on blushes. I just like to do a tiny bit like on my upper cheekbone. These are so pigmented. I was not ready for that. Like I knew they were going to be like a good quality, but these are like so pigmented. So they're like hardcore going on my face. You have to use a light hand with these. So I'm like literally having to like put it on with my blush brush and then kind of like buff it out with my powder brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the highlight shade, and I'm gonna take my super cute highlighter brush here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger and put that on my Cupid's bow. Okay, so that is everything on my face from the Hamptons Weekender little to-go palette. So I'm gonna go in now with my Tartelette in Bloom eyeshadow palette from Tarte. This is like my absolute go-to eyeshadow palette. Since I didn't get an eyeshadow palette, we're just gonna do a look with this really quick. So I'm just gonna take my fluffy brush for the base shade, which is Charmer in the palette, and I'm gonna put that all over my eyelids. And then I'm gonna take my domed little shader brush and go in with Sweet Tart. And I'm just gonna do a super simple eye look today and just basically show you guys like my everyday eye. Okay, so I got the crease shade in, and then I'm just gonna do the outer V, and then I'm going to swipe a shimmery shade over my lid. So I'm gonna go in the shade Rebel and do my outer V. Okay, and then I'm going to take my little shader brush that is just kind of like a thin brush, and I'm gonna go in with that under my eye, kind of do like a smoky eyeliner under there. And I'm gonna use the shade Leader. And then I'm also gonna use the shade Activist and Smoke Show, and I'm gonna kind of mix them together. And then I'm gonna go in with my finger, and I'm gonna use the sparkly shade Funny Girl. And I just love this shade. This shade is like hitting pan, hardcore. It's like almost gone. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil, and it's in the shade Brunette. And get them like kind of shaped a little bit. I have really big Italian eyebrows. Okay, and now I'm gonna go through really quick and just fill them in. Okay, so now I got my eyebrows done, and we are gonna go in with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Precision Eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my wings. I'm gonna start off with drawing the wing. And now I'm gonna take small strokes and I'm just gonna do the eyeliner across my eyelid, and then I'm gonna fill in the wing. Okay, so I got my wings on. This liner is bomb. Oh my gosh, I recommend this. If you like to do a wing and you like to have it like dramatic and come out pretty far with a nice point, bomb, this eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish off my eye look with some mascara. I like to curl my eyelashes. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this super adorable Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Look at those lashes. Like, this stuff just lifts your lashes and gives you like so much like length. It is so great. And now I'm gonna go in with this, the Color Splash Shade Shifting Lipstick. And this is in the shade Sunlit. Ooh, that's so pretty. All right, so that is the color Sunlit, which is really like a good description of it. It's just like a sparkly, pretty pink iridescent color. Okay, so now we can finish everything off with the Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. I'm like so looking forward to like the smell. I hope it smells good. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. That smelled really good, like really spa, like a spa, but like in a sweet, like kind of like a melon. Oh, that's what it is. You know that lotion from Bath & Body Works from like the 90s? The watermelon one? What was that called? It was like so popular. It kind of smells like that, but like really faint. Like that mixed with like aloe vera and like kind of like spa. Bomb! And it looks really good. That looked like just like melted the whole look together. It looks so pretty. I'm so excited to use this. Okay, I'm gonna take my clips out and we're just gonna see the finished look. And this is the finished like summer look with this makeup. I just did like kind of like an everyday look and I think it just came out beautiful. I love like every product in that kit. So I am super happy with my purchase. And I hope you guys can get in on this sale next time it pops around. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup unboxing and try on, and I just really hope you have a great day. Let me know in the comments below if you got this kit this time around or if you're gonna get it next time. I would love to hear from you guys. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps your girl out. And subscribe to my channel if you're not. I have a ton of fun videos to come, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.